Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato sauce at home. First, select the finest, ripest tomatoes, like San Marzano or Roma varieties, for their rich flavor. You will also need extra virgin olive oil, a few cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and fresh basil. Begin by washing and coring your tomatoes. You might also choose to peel them for a smoother sauce. This initial preparation is key to a truly wonderful homemade sauce. Next, in a large pot, warm about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté 1 finely diced onion until translucent, then add 2 or 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for another minute until fragrant. Now, add your prepared tomatoes to the pot. Gently break them down with a spoon as they soften. Let the sauce simmer slowly for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. As your sauce simmers, it is time to perfect its taste. Season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. A small pinch of sugar, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, can help balance the tomato's natural acidity. Stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves or a teaspoon of dried oregano during the last 5 minutes of cooking. For a thicker sauce, simply let it simmer longer. For a thinner consistency, add a splash of water. Once your delicious homemade tomato sauce is ready, allow it to cool completely to room temperature. This step is crucial before storing. Transfer the cooled sauce into clean, airtight containers. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, perfect for quick weeknight meals. For longer preservation, freeze the sauce in individual portions for up to 6 months, ensuring you always have a taste of summer on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.